Hi, this is Keiko from Brooklyn Shoe Space. I started Patreon because I saw a little problem that I thought Patreon could solve. People have been inquiring about either discounts for classes or scholarships during these hard times. I myself have had to close my storefront and moved into a smaller space just recently. Now this time solo, no members. It's not a co-working space anymore, and we offer classes, and we do one-on-one classes, and we can't really host a group class yet. I used to offer 3 to 4 scholarship spots, and classes range from 6-day workshops to 3-day stiletto class, sneaker making class, bag class, mule class. It ranged in all sorts. It was really fun to go through all the applications and to get to meet them and to accommodate them in class. I could afford that because it was a group class. Now that I am solo, I felt like I could not sustainably support a scholarship. So this is where I turn to Patreon. I will ask those of you who support what we do at Brooklyn Shoe Space and who support shoemaking to support those who want to start shoemaking in the form of donation towards a scholarship. And in return, you'll see tidbits from me in my studio, a little bit of back and behind the scenes, some mistakes, some successes from my experiments of shoemaking, some daily thoughts, daily process, and all that is not on social media platforms elsewhere. I felt like Facebook, Instagram, like we were being dictated by their algorithm, and I would like to create an online community that's more candid. You know, we can talk everything and anything about shoes, geek out on shoes a little bit, and feel like we can do it and we reach the people that really care. So how it works is every donation, any amount, would be piggy banked towards a scholarship. I can offer materials and supplies as a donation from me, but it would really help for me to teach an individual shoemaking if you can also help me. And I've already committed to about 3 or 4 scholarship winners in 2020 during the pandemic, and I know they can't come yet, but 2021, 2022, I do hope that they can come and make in person with me. But for the future, it will really help if we have your help. So it can become like a running scholarship, and whenever the funds reach a certain amount, we can offer a spot for somebody. And it is very transparent on the amounts that we receive, minus fees and stuff, but it's roughly there. So also patrons can also help me choose the winners as well. That would be really fun. The way Patreon works is a subscription to my work. I set up the tiers to be $350, $10, $100, and $300, 4 tiers. Any amount is appreciated. All the 4 tiers will actually unlock all the content that's on Patreon, but the top 2 will unlock like access to me. For the $100 one, we'll do like a group meetup once a month, and then for the $300 one, it's almost like you have me on retainer a little bit. You'll talk to me once a month about shoes, about anything you want to ask me. So that's a little bit more higher price. Anyone who cannot give right now will not see any change in what we do. We still will offer classes, we'll still do shoe talks, and you'll see student work on my Instagram. If you've enjoyed seeing the community aspect of Brooklyn Shoe Space and would like to contribute to its future and its future makers, please consider donating to the scholarship fund on Patreon. Also, any patron can actually apply for the scholarship. So please do apply. Send in applications anytime, please. I actually set up the Patreon account early this year, but I've been quiet about it. But I think it's time to tell the world that it exists and what it's for, and I'm really excited about this. I hope you'll join my journey in welcoming other new shoemakers. P.S. I actually also have requests about scholarships to fund for any other courses other than Brooklyn Shoe Space. And I love that idea. So I have to reach out to the makers and the teachers and the courses to see if Brooklyn Shoe Space can supplement and pay partial funds for the course. Let's see. I have a few in mind that I can reach out to, but I will also be just following what you request. So please reach out to me with opinions and suggestions, and I hope to accommodate. But for now, we'll start with Brooklyn Shoe Space courses. All right, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.